video, I'm gonna tell you a true story. I like to share true stories because if you hear a true story, hopefully you'll learn from this true story, not just an example that somebody just gave you. So this is a true story. I can tell you about this true story because I'm not giving you the person's name, but I hope you learn from this video. Had a customer that called me for the first time in March. Never met him. He went on my website in March, put an application in, sent all the information, sent his information to me via email, and he heard about me on Facebook ads I run. Then I got him approved. His credit score was 550 in March, and he called me back again a couple weeks ago, and he said, hey, I'm ready to get into a car. And I said, are you ready now? Because in March you weren't ready, and you came up with all these excuses. So when he called me a couple weeks ago, I said, if you're not ready, then I don't want to talk to you. I want to talk to you when you're ready. I'm going to see what I can do for you. And then you call me when you're ready to come in the dealership. I don't want to talk to you before that. When he called me, I looked at his credit report and I got with my finance manager. And I said, this guy has a problem. Something's going on. So I looked at his credit report. When I spoke with him, I said, what was your credit score in 2019? He said my credit score was 625. Okay, so I looked at his credit report and he had 74 inquiries on his credit report in 2021. In 2020, he had 37 inquiries on his credit report. 2019, he had 11. Let me repeat this. 2019, he had 11 inquiries. 2020, he had 37. 2021, he had 74. The moral of the story is his credit score went from 645, 2019. 2021, a couple weeks ago, at the beginning of August, his credit score is now 427. And I said to him, why haven't you purchased a car? He said, well, I wasn't ready. All these other things came up. And he did not understand why everybody kept pulling his credit. And I said, you need to commit to a dealership, somebody you trust. Do not have everybody pull your credit. Then I took him offline, right? And I had a consultation with him. I'm getting him into credit repair. And we're going to talk about some other things. And then, yes, he purchased a car from me, but I'm just telling you, make a decision about where you're going to purchase a car from and do not do what he did. I hope this video helps. And I couldn't share everything, so see me on the next video. All right.